Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I have a very exciting video. Just received the BMW X3 F25, the new steering wheel for it. We're going to be installing it today. It's an upgraded steering wheel. It's from between 2020 and 2022 model. It's an M steering wheel. Huge upgrade. Here's the steering wheel that will be getting installed. It looks fantastic. I can't wait. So like I said, it's going to be a huge upgrade. It looks fantastic. So let's get to it. All right, now we're doing the BMW X3 F25 steering wheel. We got to go get to the battery and unplug the battery for the airbag. So, all right, so that's the battery terminal. The negative terminal, just unscrew that, pop that off. Perfect. And then just, all right, here's the steering wheel for the BMW X3 F25 from DX Tuning. I'll put the link in the description below. Let's take a look what this steering wheel looks like. Look at that. That's mint. That is mint. And look, the other steering wheel that's in the car right now doesn't have paddle shifters, but this one does. So I don't know if they're gonna work, but they might. So we'll test it out and see. And here's the dual stage airbag as well that we're gonna be using. So there it is right there. So we'll see how this is gonna go. Then also came with this too, that we install after. Little bit M logo there. It's not an M, but it's for the steering wheel. So now to do it, you actually have to poke the Phillips screwdriver into the steering wheel, and then there's a little thing there that you just click in, and then it'll pop one side of the airbag out. So here's one side that's been popped out already, okay? And now remember, when you unplug the battery, make sure that the whole car discharges, so wait about 5-10 minutes, like we did. So then that way, you know, the airbag won't like blow up or something. Okay, but now we got both sides out, okay? Like pressed it in. Now there's the airbag. Now we're just gonna disconnect the back. There you go. So now we got this out. There's the plug. Airbag is out from the vehicle. Now we just have to unplug those two connectors. Okay, this one right here, this one, and then this one right here. Those two connectors have to unplug. That one and that one right there. All right, we got that plug out there. Man, I tell you, damn, took forever to get out. 16 mil bolt, take the steering wheel off. And then put the new one on. The steering wheel. Unscrew the steering wheel. There we go. Perfect, got steering wheel on. Now we're gonna put the bolt back in. Get her all tightened up. Okay. Is that good, tight? Yep. Perfect. Now, we just gotta plug these back in. Okay. All right, so we got everything plugged in. We got that plug in, that plug in. It's all, we got that plug in, that plug in. It's all bolted up. It's nice and tight. Now we're just gonna put the airbag connected and put it back in. Now plug the airbag back in. Now just gotta plug the airbag back in there. Make sure it's nice and secure, eh? Make sure it's nice and secure. Perfect. And then just line the airbag up, and it should just pop right in.
That's it. Is that it?
All right, airbag is in, all secured. Now, next thing to do, just peel that off there. Oh, yes. And then let's plug it back in, turn the car on, and see, you know, hopefully we'll have no airbag light. All right, so we just put the terminal back on the battery, tighten it up, put all this back together again, put this back together again here. Now, let's give her a start up, and let's try it and see if it's going to work. All right, here we go. Any airbag lights?
Negative.
No airbag lights, perfect. The brake light came back on, but I'll just have to reset that another time. So then we got this here, the steering wheel, volume up. Oh yeah, controls work. Does the volume work, Dino? Volume right here. Yeah, volume works perfectly. And for the final touch, little M logo right here. Put it right there. That's a finishing touch. And there it is, guys. BMW X3 F25 steering wheel installed. It looks amazing. Huge upgrade on the vehicle. I highly recommend it.